very excited to honor our workers as part of Maintenance Worker Appreciation Day. We are so proud of the 350 men and women who represent our team. These are talented technicians, plumbers, electricians. They work very hard every single day to ensure a safe and comfortable working environment for district staff and students. It was very exciting to see the students show appreciation at Rosenwald Elementary, where they made cards.
Happy Maintenance Worker Appreciation Day.
Thank you. Beacon Cove Intermediate, where they had us on the morning news.
Thank you for all you do.
Thank you, Drew.
Jupiter High School, where they made some sweet treats.
We'd like to thank you for all that you do for our community, maintaining every single school. These cookies are for you.
Thank you very much.
No
Appreciate
problem.
this.
And Palm Springs Middle School, where the students also made cards.
On behalf of everyone at Palm Springs Community Middle School, we wanted to thank you for everything that you do.
As a way to show our appreciation, we made a bunch of thank you cards.
So on Maintenance Appreciation Day, thank you for everything you do at our school.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much for showing this appreciation to the maintenance department. We will continue to work hard for the students and staff of the Palm Beach County School District.